Hi, we're Beth and Brian, an American couple that retired a little early and bought an abandoned farm in southeast Sicily. We hope you'll join us as we get to know our neighbors, restore the old farmhouse, and explore this absolutely beautiful island. I'm Anini. What you looking at? What you looking at, Willis?
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, Beth.
How are you?
Hi, good. Happy Sunday, everyone. Yeah, I'm doing good. Yeah, worked in the vineyard this morning. It was,
Picked
good.
your grapes?
I did. Just to feed to you, my dear. Just lean back.
Not even.
Yeah.
So, before we really get into like our week,
Yeah.
we had two huge milestones.
You been drinking? It's 11 o'clock.
Yeah, it's really, you've been feeding me grapes.
Yeah.
No, but we had two milestones this week, which blows my mind.
Yeah.
Number one, we have 10,000 subscribers now.
Like 10,800.
That's just like
Like this last video blew up. I have no idea why.
but it was crazy. So we have that,
YouTube.
and we hit 1 million views.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
It was kind of like those two huge numbers. I was like, wow.
Yeah.
Again, this was like supposed to be like, there was always a fun thing to do for family and friends, and now all of a sudden it's like, wow.
Yeah, it's
But
fun.
It's good.
So thanks for
Anyway,
watching.
Yes, thank you. We're so grateful for all of you guys that watch.
Yeah. So this week it's kind of a short video because on Thursday, I was supposed to go have a cataract removed. And
How'd that go?
well, we got there on Thursday and it didn't quite work out the way we had hoped or
No.
planned. And it didn't. So I just have to leave you in the lurch because we're going to do a video from start to finish on this whole thing. And we'll just say that it didn't happen. And
He still can't say.
yeah, July 9th, like Ruprecht. July 9th, I'll have the surgery.
Right.
Yeah, so it'll be done then.
Yes.
Hopefully.
Yes.
Gosh, who knows? I don't know.
Well, fingers crossed.
It's going pretty well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
So then, God, the weather's been like so manic. This morning we were out here early when
cold.
and it was freezing.
It was nice.
Yeah.
I mean, it's great to work,
Right?
Yeah.
But it's been like cold, windy, lots of wind.
Lots of wind. Yeah, so I'm doing a lot of work in the vineyard. We've had to tie up the vines and do the best we can because the trunks aren't strong enough yet to carry all the new growth up top. And
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but so far I think
look
it actually it's going okay.
They seem to be doing okay.
Yeah, they seem to be doing okay. We
I
had
mean, we have
what did we had?
grapes, right?
50-mile-an-hour winds, and they were just getting rocked.
Oh, I know. But we were planting the regular garden, and Brian kept looking, going, "Oh, this is a problem. This is a
Breaking
problem."
my heart. Yeah.
So, but
This is the time of year though when all those yellow flowers, the Bermuda buttercup or
Akitazu.
yeah, Akitatsu.
Akitatsu.
They start getting, which are beautiful, but they
Yes.
start getting replaced by the poppies.
Ugh.
So I took the drone out, and within like, I don't know, less than a mile of our house, I went around and I took some drone footage of the poppy fields. Hope you enjoy it.
poppies are beautiful out there, but you cut them all down in our yard.
I did. It was just out of control. So every year we've been letting all the wildflowers grow. And
That's beautiful.
Oh, the variety of wildflowers that we get is extraordinary.
Right.
But at some point it becomes so overgrown
It's a jungle.
that we can't do it anymore. We leave little
Clusters.
little areas where there's some nice flowers, but in general, yeah. So, and you know, it's like that everywhere because even the farmers now are starting to cut their hay.
Yes.
And even behind us,
Johnny's out cutting.
Johnny's cutting, and Giuseppe cut his hay back there.
Yeah.
And so in a matter of a month or so, it'll be very golden here.
Yeah.
All the green goes away.
It just completely changes.
It's beautiful in a different way.
100% in a beautiful different way.
Yeah.
You know. So, yeah. So it was good.
It was good.
We finished the fava. Hey, honey.
Think we have enough?
Do you know that we're like a family of 2 now? Not a family of like 17.
Can never have enough Fave.
Apparently not. And we can never have enough friends.
Nope.
So thank goodness for that.
Yep.
So, all the harvest done.
Yeah, finish the fava.
Finished the
There's a
fava.
lot of fava
Oh
beans.
my gosh.
Yeah.
So many. We gave a lot we gave some to Massimo. We gave some to Mally to bring down to the restaurant. I mean, just
And
so much.
And Sando and Sandra invited us for lunch.
Grazie, Brian.
Yep.
And they made us a special lunch and they wouldn't let us pay.
No,
Yeah,
that was
it's
thank you. It
delicious.
was
Fava
great.
bean.
And pancetta.
Pancetta was really
It was
good.
delicious.
Yeah, it was
I
really
was,
good.
thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. So,
Probably one of the most interesting things we did this week is we went to an Italian movie for the first time.
that was fun.
Yeah.
You know, but very different.
Very.
And again, it might be that we have not been to the movies in so long in the States
I think
that
that's probably it. You probably buy your tickets online now
I don't
in the
even
US.
know.
I don't know.
I
We used
don't
to
know.
just walk up to the counter, buy our tickets, and
tickets.
then go in.
right?
Yeah.
And then you go to the food, you know, to the concession stands
Yeah.
and you buy your popcorn. No, this is all done on a computer, the kiosk.
It was cool. I mean, we walked in, it's, you know, and everything's on a kiosk. You pick your seats.
Where do I sit?
Glad we got here early. Okay.
Here?
No, back more.
Here.
Forward more.
Here?
Left more.
Here.
Right more. Kinda. And then you can order your food, and it's really Americanized, which shocked me.
Yeah.
They had
The super size.
48 ounce fountain drinks and like 6 different popcorn sizes and candy.
It was crazy.
Yeah, they didn't have the good stuff, but you know.
I
they
had
did
Mike
have-
and Ike's. He was really upset there were no Mike
yeah,
and Ike's.
and it was hot tamales I was trying to think of. Yeah, it's those things. Yeah.
Oh, but we did. So we did that, and then we got there early,
Very early.
very early.
Why? I don't know. We were the only people in the theater. There was a woman a young girl came in, probably learning English. She was
Right.
really sweet. And then a family, probably from the Navy base. That
They
sat
were
behind us,
American,
the
yeah.
other side, American, yeah.
Right. So
And,
Brian almost walked out though.
well, okay. So the movie was Devil Wears Prada. I loved the 2. I loved the first one. I mean, I really loved
One of
the
his
first
favorite.
one. Yeah. I don't want to hear it. But I do love it. And so we went to see the second one, and
So
I don't know.
So here's the deal. I mean, this is like extremely Italian.
Yeah.
In the sense that the movie said it starts at 5.
Yeah.
And it did.
It actually started at 5.
It started at 5, but caveat here, it was 26 minutes of ads and previews.
26 minutes of ads. At the end, they did have a few previews,
They
to be
did.
fair.
They did.
But it was 24 minutes of
ads.
Ads, underwear, candy, cars, you name it. 26 minutes. I couldn't believe it.
Brian, every 2 minutes, what time is it? Well, how much time has passed? What time is it? Like, why isn't, like, what, seriously, Beth, what time is it? Brian, you just asked me a minute ago.
Well, we paid $11.50 to see that movie, right? And to be bombed by that many ads in addition, I know, but it was annoying. That's too many ads. So then we got through the first half of the movie. It was
okay.
just okay.
Yeah.
But then they had an intermission. They had an intermission with more ads, and they also had some food porn.
They did.
the screen. Look at the mustard. It was so bad that the kids behind us, they were talking to their parents. They're like, Dad, they're just trying to sell us stuff. So
We were laughing so hard.
it's so funny. Yeah, but it was pretty bad.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Yeah.
It was crazy. But the movie itself, it was fun. It was a good escape for me.
Second half was good.
Yeah. I think your video critique was like,
Oh, whatever. Yeah, it was okay. But we'd probably go back again because
God, yeah.
it was a good reminder that we actually are getting quite a bit better in Italian.
yeah, because they do the subtitles in Italian.
It was an original version movie.
Right, and so
Yeah.
the subtitles are in Italian. So I was like, Brian, like I know that. Like we say that all the time.
Yeah.
So it was kind of fun. It was good.
Well,
Boop. So the Fava's gone, and we planted our summer garden. This is like the
did.
coolest thing here, right?
Yeah.
It's like in New England, we grew up, and you had your winter clothes, and you took your winter clothes and you put them away, and then you got your summer clothes out.
with them
right?
mothballs.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we got rid of our winter garden, and we planted our summer garden.
Absolutely remarkable. I love having two different
It's like
gardens.
crazy to be able to do
And in
that.
the winter, you don't have to water at all. It just happens.
Right.
But so the 2 years prior that we planted a garden, we kind of planted the garden, then tried to put irrigation in. It didn't
Doesn't
work
work
very
that
well.
way.
And finally, our neighbor said to us, "Yo," Joe said, "What are you, stupid?" And Johnny came over with actual tubes trying
Yeah.
to fix it for us. You got to lay your tubes down first. And
He's right.
he's totally
You're
right.
right.
I don't know why I hadn't thought of that, but I'll take the blame. So we did lay our tubes down first, and then we planted our plants based on where the holes
Right.
are. And so far, so good.
So far, it's
Everything's
great.
working
Everything's soaking down to the
Yep.
to the roots, which is perfect.
Yep.
So, yeah, so that's all set, and the chickens haven't gotten in there yet, which
No.
is good.
No, they don't seem interesting.
No, it's interesting. They don't come in the vines, and they don't go in the garden. I mean, they're literally they have free range. at
Total
this
free
point.
range now, yeah.
Completely free range, and they go in from time to time, and we've got 2 more that are brooding right
Yeah,
now, which
Gertie
is
and Prissy.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
So I just moved the blocks back outside, and with Gertie, she's just been a mess. She keeps jumping up on our laps anytime we sit down, and so one of the things that's suggested
That's going to stop pretty soon.
is to put an ice pack on her underside to like kind of cool things down. So that's what I've been doing. Not really excited about that.
Doesn't like that very much. Would you like that?
Not so much.
I don't think I'd like that very much
No,
either.
but
Yeah.
you know, that's yeah.
Yeah.
So, but we had Diana was over for dinner the other night, and we were just about to sit down to eat, and all of a sudden Johnny comes over with a friend.
Yeah.
It's like, we need your drone
Check
now.
it out. Yeah, but yeah, so yeah, they did. So there were some wild boars running wild up the hill over there, and I mean they cause a massive amount of
They do.
damage. So they're trying to figure out how to get them out of there.
Right.
But
Couldn't find him.
couldn't find them.
No.
Nope. But it was fun trying.
Yeah. But they were all like the 3 guys.
I think half
like,
the things they wanted to use the drone.
hovered around this little screen, so it was kind of fun.
Yeah,
So,
it's nice to have that.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
good.
When I lived in the U.S., if I was about to eat dinner and people would come over, I'd probably be a little bit irritated. But
Nope.
time is so different here.
It just
It didn't
stopped.
bother me.
Nope.
It's fine.
We just hung out. We
Yeah.
talked to them for a little bit,
Yep.
and then they went on and we ate dinner.
And his friend came back a couple days later because he said, I noticed when I was here, you have some really beautiful chickens. Would you mind if I take some eggs? I'm like, okay. Yeah, you can have some eggs. And then he nearly lost it when he discovered that they were blue.
I know this because this has been a thing. It's like 'cause when we told Joe originally we want a blue egg, he's like, they don't exist.
Yeah.
They do exist.
What are you, stupid?
It's like we have them, and so the neighbor came by. Our other neighbor came by about 2 months ago, and she's already hatched.
Yeah.
A batch of them, and then one of the chefs in town, same thing. He's like, he's in the process of getting an incubator. He wants to collect the eggs so that he can have the blue eggs as well.
Awesome.
So
Yeah.
whoa, they are doing some grading on the road, I think.
Yes, they are.
Yes, which is
Yeah.
good. Needs it, right?
Probably can't hear that, but it's pretty loud.
It is pretty loud.
Yeah.
So anyway, so Reggie is like spreading his eggs, his kingdom,
Yeah.
around Sicily. It's
Yeah.
kind of funny.
Yeah, it's fun.
So
Yep.
anyway, anything else?
No, no, not really. It was kind of a boring week. And again, sorry for the short video, but I thought I was going to get cut.
I know, and I think that was the big thing. We did such a huge push to get everything done and ready,
Yeah.
so that you could just sit back and relax.
Yeah, we weren't thinking about taking video, really.
No.
Yeah.
So, but one thing to keep in mind is, So we haven't talked about this in a while, but we started a web page called the Bees Sicilian Adventures. The Bees Sicilian Adventures. And it gives us a place to be able to put some video on there, some added content on there.
Yep.
And you've got
No ads.
No ads. And you have a choice of doing either paid or a free subscription to that.
Yeah.
And for the paid subscriptions, one of the things that we've put out there is village visits.
Yeah.
And so we're in the process of looking through all the notes and such from people.
We've had 5 people ask us to go to villages for them.
We're pretty excited about that.
Yeah, so I actually can't wait to do that.
It's going to be good.
You know, this one woman said, I haven't been in this. Oh, hello, Johnny.
I think we're going to have to take a pause for a second.
I think we are going to have to take a pause for a second. This
right
is one
back.
of those happy moments. We're so happy you stopped by. I'm glad our battery's not dead. Okay, bye.
We're going to do an intermission. Okay, back to the regular program.
Back to
Intermission's over.
Yeah.
Oh God! But
So he invited us over to the house at 7:30 tonight.
So,
yeah, which is nice.
Yeah. So, we're just kind of building that community.
Yeah.
I mean, we have an amazing community with this YouTube, but I think that this is a little bit more intimate.
Yeah. More fun.
More fun.
Yeah.
So, at any rate, check it out if you want more information about it. And then that's it.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh, it's a slow week.
It was.
And next week, I'm going to do a Budapest video.
Yes.
And we had such
much video.
Awesome trip.
Yes.
We did a bike ride around Budapest. We did a lot of kilometers. Jeez, I'm losing it, man. Kilometers. It's hard to go back with the inflection. I have French, English, Italian in my head.
Poor thing.
But we did that, and we found a bunch of statues, and we went to thermal baths, and
it's fun.
It was a great trip.
It was, and one of the things, living here in Europe, it gives us the opportunity to kind of do these little trips like this.
It's so cheap.
It is so inexpensive to fly, even now with everything going on. But it was a nice quick getaway, and the chickens take care of themselves for 3 days, and piece of cake.
Oh,
A lot of eggs came home to a lot of eggs.
19 eggs we came home to.
19 eggs, yes. That was nuts. But at any rate, so that's all we got.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks, and thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to us.
Yes.
Okay.
Catch you
Ciao.
next time. Ciao.